I do have the Royalbaby bike right here for you guys. We're gonna do an unboxing, we're gonna assemble it, and then I'm gonna tell you guys what my first thoughts are on this bike. I do wanna say that it's for kids 3 to 12 years old, and they do have different coloring. We got the white one, but they have blue, they have pink, they have purple, they have all the colors that you guys would like, okay? So let's go ahead and unbox this and let's check it out. So the first thing I removed is this box right here. It sounds like some of the parts are right here, so we're gonna put that off to the side. We also have the seat right here. And here is the main thing right here, which is gonna be the frame. And as you guys can see, it is that white color. The tires, they're inflatable and they are 12 inches. And of course, we also have the water bottle right here. So as you guys can see in this box, it does have the training wheels. We are gonna be putting the training wheels on because our boy is learning, he's barely learning how to ride a bike. So that's definitely key right there. And it does also come with the pedals inside this box and the manual. I do like that it comes with the tools. So it looks like we don't have to have any tools. It comes with everything we need. And of course it has the manual on how to put everything together. All right, you guys, the bike is together. It probably took me around 15 to 20 minutes to put everything together. I didn't want to do a step-by-step. I kind of just want to show you guys what I did because it was pretty simple, but it took 20 minutes because it's a little process. Okay, so the first thing you do is you put your handlebars right on top, okay? You put your handlebars in, and you guys could see that it has an Allen wrench right here. All you have to do is tighten it as tight as you can, and then it's gonna be good. Just make sure it's centered. That way the front of the tire and the handlebars, they're gonna go straight instead of going sideways. You guys could see that this cord, I put it on this inside just like that. That way you could turn to the left or to the right and the cord is not gonna affect at all. You guys, I also put this little reflector right here. This is for safety, so you definitely wanna put that on right there in the front. So if a light is shining right at it, you guys are gonna be able to see that. You guys, the pedals were super easy, but I do want to point out that this one says L for left and the other one says R for right. All you have to do is screw them in, and then the cool thing is it came with this little wrench right here. You just find what size it is, and then you tighten it up right here at that spot right there. Same thing with the other side. And then we're gonna come on down. The cool thing is it does come with this water bottle right here. Let me pull the water bottle out so you guys can see how it looks. It was very simple. All we had to do is there's two Phillips screws right here. And the cool thing is this like Allen wrench on the other side. It's like a Phillips. So all we have to do is unscrew these two, screw this in, and it's good to go. It does have the water bottle. All we have to do is throw that water bottle right in there and you are good to go. Fill that bad boy up and they're gonna be hydrated. You guys, so the seat, all we had to do is take the seat out of the bag, and then we just had to tighten it up right here. So this right here, all you have to do is screw it as tight as you can, and you could actually make this thing go righty-tighty, and then all you have to do is clamp it. So this could go up and down right here. I measured it. This should be my son's height right here. If not, all I have to do is unlock here, which is pushing it out, and then we'll just adjust it as it goes. I forgot to tell you guys, we do have over here, we do have the bell. It's kind of loud, so I am gonna have you guys hear it real quick. That's it right there. So I was kind of like, I didn't know if I want to put this on here because my son's probably gonna be jamming that thing up right there, but I did end up putting that on there. We go to the back. This was simple. All it is a Phillips. All we did is screw this in right here. So it's, you know, pointing to the back. So just in case cars coming from the back, they're gonna see the reflection, and it's gonna be that red reflector right here. He is learning, so we put the tricycles on here. This one says L for left, the other one says R for right, so make sure you're putting in the right one. And I do want to say, like, this is hard material. I don't know if it's steel, aluminum, I don't know what it's made out of, but it's very, very sturdy. So it's not going to bend or anything if, you know, your kid is using this like often, like this like they're going to the left or to the right. And this, I don't think this is going to bend. It's very, very sturdy. So overall, you guys, I do like this bike. I'm so glad that I bought it for him. It had great reviews on Amazon, so we went ahead and purchased it. Hope you guys like my review video.